It's even on big and Clay, put on top. It's Giltop to earn Newmwich. It's Club Newmwich. Agus tá muid go fáilig fúla mar scail na pewa. Tá mé a chud súla a clachtaí. Bí muid a clachtaí ar pás láwas. Sienna Air Club, Lickerlock
Bhí mé sé ag fásaí níos bhí céalar a gúnaí an sa sráid, agus an sin bhí mór heol an ag galsúas bóthar na bháil. Is ceapan am galsúas ag Park Bagashment cumáid a an bblion bhí comart is peal géalach ach níú sé an dhéalaige. Bhí sé marla agus sílam inéis seo campa trí bhain na Gaeilge agus tá hartfa 7 ó 8 pastin seo ag Lord Gaeilge an lá ag deanna gríomhaíochtaí deirfeala ag omant peal géalach cailíní agus gasí cumáid.
Das fihir rod eile, déisina eile, tá síl na Gaeilge onan neis a tá cóláidir le rudidir bí eile in sa tír seo. So hanig fíon waín ar eist mar jalar an tógáil seo. Is ceandan a rudí is fear a hála in dheartha bhil fearste. Dahraí sin síl, de réir a céal a dahraí sin síl.
Murdoch? Car Boston, Murdoch.
Seo cantar nuachtar clúnaíonn seo Tá ní teasús an lónaíonn sin agus an taim a chur an pobl éitiúil ar an cantar seo ar na málamh na Glan Harley. Tháinig is an pobl éitiúil gurú an factas ar son na timpachta agus ar son a tléamh agah mar glúcuid don mhórachtas a bhí ag gul réin seo. Os is dóilm is margheall ar sin ar fad sa bhíon 2005 gur éirí le loch timpachta agus na ddígrasúirí seo gur éirí lá in sanachtas chun an slíú dúis a ceannacht agus ó hinna le dorbar an áid sin mar cantar atá forbartha le haid síoltóirí. Bei pobl glór na móna agus na grúpa óige a campbell amach anach mar cos de féile football.
See just that one wee club on the White Rock, Cumanóga Uachtar Clooney. It has 130 members every week. We're only funded for 4 nights a week in our area and it's not fair.
Irish Medium Youth Provision is also happening in Lenadoon, The Falls and on the Antrim Road. In Lenadoon, we operate 3 nights. This is an area in which a huge percentage of young people are attending Irish medium schools. There is so much English informal provision around us, yet we only get 3 nights. On the Falls Road, in the heart of the Gaeltacht Quarter, we operate only 1 night a week. 22% of young people in this area attend Irish medium schools, and our youth club is located just yards away from the biggest post-primary Irish medium school in Ireland, which has over 700 pupils. And on the Antrim Road, where 650 young people are attending Irish medium schools, we also operate only 1 night a week. This is in comparison to 12 English medium youth clubs in the area. In Belfast, there are 1,800 young people attending Irish medium schools. The informal education structure that is supposed to be delivering youth work programmes to these young people simply doesn't match up.
Those who do discriminate against our young people can't and won't stop the powerful work that's going on. We're mobilised and we will continue to fight for our rights and our entitlements. Son an ceart muilithe agus ceart séanithe.
Socks en nu staan heel te ver en ver. Hou niet te skieken. Nestor mit Jo, nestor mit Jo. Kino hof für wellness care, brache leben mit Geld. Für die Food. Hear me in torments and loss of his weeds. Still with shades and sheets. So we had all of flavor, the woman again. It's all we can see, it don't free. Levensstraks in luchtstand, heel derfor en ver. Han likt ego homeland. Wow. Levensstraks in luchtstand, heel derfor en ver. Han likt ego homeland. Zie wordt me gleef, is Burton zijn hak. Geen kosten shield, on jou moet je Song is we, it's the great shit that she is so we. Hey, bought on slave or the world when again made it sound from sea, it's the free.